Hi and welcome to another video. In this video we will learn how to use Bitlocker to encrypt our flash drive or external hard drive.
Welcome guys to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to protect your USB flash drive, your hard drive, or your basically your storage device from other users. So this video is going to be straightforward. Okay, so for that you're going to need a USB flash drive. For instance, I have a USB flash drive here which I want to protect. I don't want anyone to access my information. So as you can see right now, as you can see, the drive is not protected. Anyone can access all the informations on it. So for protecting this data, you need to go to your control panel, go to the search bar, go to control panel, click on large icons, then you look for the Bitlocker drive and encryption. You just look for Bitlocker drive encryption, click on it, okay. Then you scroll down to removable data drives. You see an option which is Bitlocker to go. Okay, so you see the USB that has been connected. So you need to connect the USB flash drive which you want to protect. So I'll click on this one. For now the Bitlocker is turned off. So I'm going to click here. Then you see an option which says turn on Bitlocker. So just click on turn on Bitlocker. Okay. Now the asking is giving us two options. The first option says use a password to unlock the drive. So if I click on this button here, I should enter a password and I confirm the password. The second option it says use my smart card to unlock. So if you have like a smart device like an ID card or biometric ID cards, so you can use that option. But for now, the best and secure way I think is the password. So let's go. I'm going to give it a simple password. Okay, then I confirm. Okay, then click on next. Now it's asking how do you want to back up your recovery key. And basically what the recovery key does is that if in case you forget the password that you give your drive or a USB, so you can use the recovery key to open or to access your flash drive again. So we are going to save the recovery key as to a file. It's better to save it to a file. Then you can keep that file on your computer on a secured location. So only you can know where to find your recovery key. Okay, so just click on save to a file. Then it's asking for the location. So I'll just go to desktop for now. Go to desktop and just click on save. Okay, and remember, if you're trying to create a recovery key, you should not choose a location on the USB or on the drive you want to lock. It's like you should not create a second option if you forgot the password. So if you create the recovery key on the drive which you want to lock, then how can you use the recovery key? So you have to create it elsewhere. It should not be on the drive you want to lock. So I've saved it, I've given the location, so press next. Okay. This option is very important, guys. This option It's asking us like if we want to encrypt the used disk space only. Okay, for this option, like for instance, if I have a 50 gigabyte space, or let's say an 8 gigabyte USB flash drive, okay, and on that 8 gigabyte USB flash drive, I have 5 gigabytes of used space. Like I have 5 gigabytes of data in that USB flash drive. This first option will only encrypt the 5 gigabytes of data. So the remaining will not be encrypted. Okay. And the second option will encrypt the entire drive. So if I have an 8 gigabytes drive, if I choose the second option, this one, it will encrypt the entire 8 gigabytes. So for the best option, we are going to go with the second one because it's the best. We encrypt the entire. Okay. So then you click on next. Now for this, it's asking the mode, like we should choose which encryption mode to use. Okay. So for that, you're going to click new encryption mode. Okay. Then click on next. Then click start encryption. Okay, so just wait. Okay, it's done. So my USB flash drive is being encrypted. So let me show you what. Now this is my USB flash drive. If I remove the it and I plug it again, just wait, it's loading. Okay, so this is the flash drive that I have just encrypted. Okay, so now as you can see, there's a lock on it. So immediately, if another user want to access information, they cannot unless they have the password. So for instance, if I want to go to my USB, if I click, okay, it's asking for a password. Okay, so I enter password which I used, then click unlock. Click on unlock. Okay, as you can see, the drive is now open. Okay, so now I can access the information, the data on this drive. But immediately you unplug the USB and plug it again, the drive will be locked. So this is the best way to secure your data. This is the process of how to use the recovery key to open your Bitlocker file. So for that, I've already created a recovery file. So this is the recovery file. Open it, copy the recovery key. Okay, then go to the drive which you've locked, like this one. Double click. In case you forget the password, you can use the recovery key. Just go down to more option, enter recovery key, and then you paste the recovery key here. Then you press unlock. Okay, the drive has been unlocked. And once you use the recovery key, it will automatically encrypt the whole drive again, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay.